Want some of this? And this? Oops! Then watch this! Make your own branding watermark with Filmora 9. So before we start, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to continue. In the Welcome tab, choose the aspect ratio to 1:1 Instagram and then click the new project. And from the media, choose one of the color you like from sample color. So I choose white. Drag it and put it to the timeline. Then go to title and use default title. And then I change the text to subscribe. Change the font. That's not so attractive, so I guess I have to choose some colors. Red. I have to put up the title and put the red under the default title by the timeline. So I have to resize the red, but first I have to change the color of the text to white. And then I can resize the red under the text. So now I need one more text. So I use again the default title. I have to put it on the top of the other text and change the color to black. And then change the text. Click to, then put it in the right position. Change the size. And then I like it to be in cursive format. So it's done. This gonna be my own branding watermark. So I just have to delete everything, and I did a snapshot. So now here it is, and then you just have to find where it is in your folder and save it. Change the name so you can easily find it later. So now you have to do is click the picture itself and then change the size to square. So square, and it goes like this, and then save it again. And now we will put it to my channel, branding, and change the watermark. And voila! Now you have your own branding watermark using Filmora 9. So we will check it on my video how it looks like. So there it is, and let's check it in another video. So it's also there on the right side corner. And it also looks great here in this video. So that's how easy it is. I hope you learned something from this video, and see you on my next video. Transparent text using Filmora 9. Coming soon!